Hi students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the class. Hope that all of you are keeping well. 5th class, take your English textbook Marigold. We are going to learn a unit 3, My Shadow. Okay, hope that all of you are completed first and second unit and already had written the fair copy. Okay, when the school will reopen, I will check all the notes. Okay, you should complete your copy. Okay. Now, this is a poem about shadow. Okay, you know what is the meaning of shadow in Hindi? Shadow means, in Hindi, we can say parchai. Okay. Then, when we can see our shadow, we can see in the day, we can see our shadow. Then we can see also our shadow in the night also. But there are some difference. Okay. The shadow we can see in the morning, it is very tall. Do you notice this one? The shadow we can see in the morning, very tall. Then sometimes it will be very like a round shape, means very short. Then which time this one? Afternoon. Afternoon, the shadow become very short. Then the night time when there is no light, we could not see our shadow. But when there is light, we can see our shadow. Okay, now just we will see what is about this poem is saying about my shadow. Okay. Do you know whenever there is light, someone follows you? Have you ever wondered who it is? Okay, this first, second two lines are saying, this is not a poem, this is just these two lines. Is saying that, do you know whenever there is light, especially in the night time, when there is light, you see that near of you there is someone who follows you. Okay, then saying that, have you ever wondered? Have you ever see that and wonder about it? Okay, now we can go to see who is this. Okay, this is our shadow only. Okay, this is our shadow. Okay, now let us go to read the poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Okay, the first line of the poem saying that I have a little shadow. I have a shadow that goes. Whenever I go, that shadow also go. In and out. When I go to inside of the room, it come with me. If I will go outside of the room, that also come with me. Okay, I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Okay, the next line. And when can be the use of him is more than I can see. Okay, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. Okay, when and what can be the use of him means the shadow for what we use is more than I can see. Means the use of that shadow is I can see him. Because my shadow I can see. Okay, your shadow, आपका परछाई. अब देखेंगे no? What can be the use of him is more than I can see. Okay, he is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. Okay, then this shadow of me is like me. Yes, is correct, no? My shadow is like me only. Then from where? From heels to the head. You see, heels means downside, the feet to the head. Okay, means full my body. Full my body is whatever I am, how I am, it is also same my shadow. Okay, my shadow, how I am, it is how I am look like, that is also my shadow. That is why poem saying that He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, from the feet to the head side, okay? And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed, okay? Then the saying that my shadow jump before me, okay? There is my bed. Then I am going to jump into my bed. Then I can see, before I started to jump into bed, my shadow already jumped into bed. Why we will see like this? Because our body, shadow has no body. Means our body only reflecting in the shadow. अब हमारा body का परछाई है shadow. No, shadow means हमारा परछाई. Then this shadow means before my body before starting to jump, I see that this shadow already starting. Means it is like a light. Then it is faster. The shadow is faster. My body is a physical. I am physical thing, but my shadow is not a physical thing. My shadow is only light, heavy thing. No, it is a light thing. Then it appears more than me, faster than me. It appears faster than me. Okay, once more I will read. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Again we will read these lines. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Okay, the next page. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Means I said already. Funniest thing means it make laugh, making laughing things. The laughing things is that the way he likes to grow. The mode, the change of the grow. How it is the change of the grow? Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. Means this is the growing of the shadow is not like a children. Means you know that how the children is growing smaller, third month, fourth month, fifth month, then one year, 2 year, third year. Is not like that. Shadow is not like that. Shadow when it change, shadow change according to the time. Morning, I said already, morning time, sunrise time, it is very tall. Then afternoon, it is like a round shape. Means our shadow will be round shape. Then evening again tall. Then night again. Because of the night we cannot see. When we will put on the light only, we can see our shadow. Okay. The next line. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. Okay. Then sometimes shoots up taller like taller. Sometimes shoots up taller means you can see your shadow taller like an India rubber ball. Okay. Means sometimes it is a taller like an India rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Means sometimes I said already, so the afternoon, especially afternoon time, it is like a nothing. You cannot see only the size of the smaller size, means round shape. Okay. Okay, this 4 line again we will read. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Okay, this 4 line is saying that it is very funny to see that the shadow, the growing shadow, how the shadow grows. It is not like children growing. It is like according to the time it change. I said already, morning time, afternoon and evening, the shadow will change. Okay. Next line. One morning very early before the sun I was up. Okay, then this poet, one who write the poem is saying that one morning very early before the sun means before coming sun, maybe we can say that 4 o'clock. Okay, before the sun I was up means I already wake up before the sun. Okay, before the sun I wake up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. Means I rise. Rose means the past of rise. I rise means I wake up and found. I found that the shining dew. Shining means brightening. Very brightening. Brightening dew. Dew means that we can see early morning the surface of the grass, leaves and flowers, little drop of water. Now we can see that morning when we will wake up, the surface of the upper side of the leaves or sometimes grass and flowers also, some drop of water that we can call dew. Okay, that we can call dew on every buttercup. Buttercup here is means yellow flower. Downside it is already written what is the meaning of buttercup. Okay, then this poem, the poet is saying that one day early morning I wake up before the sun, then I find that there was a shining dew, there is a brightening, a drop of water on every yellow flower. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head. Okay, my shadow means I am. My shadow means I am. Whatever I do, my shadow also do. Okay, then this poem is saying that my shadow was lazy means I am lazy. And what errant sleepy head means I have a sleepy head. Sleepy head means I am state of mood of sleepy. I feel sleepy. Had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Okay, had stayed at home. I was at home. Behind me means the back of me and was fast asleep in bed. Okay, behind me and was fast, very fast asleep in bed means I am in bed with sleepy mood means that shadow, whatever I do only my shadow do means I was in the bed means my shadow in the bed means I was on the bed. But my lazy little shadow like a errant sleepy head had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Okay, this is a very simple poem. Again, once more I will read this part. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. One morning, very early before the sun, I was up. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Next line. One morning, very early before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Everyone should read this poem, okay? Then there are some word meaning downside. You should write in the copy. You write unit 3, my shadow. Then you write these words. Okay, everyone should write these words. Word meaning these 4 words. If any other words, if you don't know, you can check in the dictionary. That also you can add it. Okay, students. Now I will give the video of the question answers. Okay. Okay, you can add it this one more word meaning asleep. I wrote here state of sleep. Okay, then the first question, why do you think your shadow looks like? First question. Then answer, my shadow looks like me. Okay, the first question is saying that why do you think your shadow looks like? Then answer is, my shadow looks like me. You know that आपका परछाई looks like you, no? Okay, the second question, why do you think your shadow jumps into bed before you can? Means asking, the second question is asking that why do you think your shadow आपका परछाई jump into bed before you can? The shadow is not a physical thing. Okay, आप हमारा body है physical body है, my shadow no physical body no, आपका shadow है. Then saying that and it appears faster than light. Okay, आपका shadow appear मतलब okay, appears in हिंदी उपस्थित प्रकट होना. Okay, आपका shadow परछाया appears प्रकट होना faster than light. Faster means हमारा body का faster than shadow appear करते हैं, no? Faster than light. Faster than light. It is because of that my shadow jumps into bed before I can. Sun rays are slanting at the time of sunrise. Slanting, here slanting means in Hindi tricha, okay. Our shadow is tallest in the morning. It is because the sun rays are slanting tricha at the time of sunrise. That is why our shadow is tallest in the morning. Okay, students, the fourth question, read the lines from the poem and answer the following. Okay, there are 2 lines. Then from that line, we should answer. There are 3 questions. We should answer, okay? The lines are, he is very like me from the heels up to the head. Okay, the question is, who does he refer to? Here is, he is very like me. Okay, who will be? He refer means shadow. He refer to shadow. B question. Who does me refer? Here me means here who. Me refer to the speaker in the poem. Me refer to the speaker in the poem. Okay. The C. Why are he and me alike? Why he and me are alike? Okay. Question. Answer. He and me are alike means he means I am the one. Me means I. He means my shadow. Okay, why we are alike? Why we are same? Because he is the shadow of me because he is the shadow of me. Okay, these are the question answer. You should write in the fair copy this much. Then the textbook work we will do after.